everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing how can you make your own quilling fruits fridge magnets. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching and let's get into the video. So firstly I'm starting with red tight coils to make strawberry. Here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 tight coils, as you can see. Now I'll arrange them in the strawberry shape. Now I'm putting little bit of glue. So guys, I think I'm pretty much done with the strawberry shape. Now let us move on to the leaves. So guys, I have my leaves ready with the green strip. You can see the eye shape. But before that, we need to cover the strawberry with the plain red strip all around it. So let's see how to do that. So guys, it was a really hard time to bring everything back to its place, but I managed and I'm continuing. We need to apply glue after each round to secure it. So guys, I'm finally done with the strawberry shape. You can see the way I have bordered it with the same strip. Now I'm moving to the leaves. Now let it dry. So guys, now I have a red foam of the same shape and I'm gluing it here to give it support for the magnet to stick. Now I have a magnet. And voila, our strawberry magnet is ready. So guys, nextly I'm making purple grapes. For that you can see I have I'll be using purple tight coils which are really small in size, and I'll be gluing them side by side. Now guys, till when it is drying, I'll just stick this purple foam triangle for support again. Also guys, I forgot to tell about that we also need to border our grapes, and as you can see it's not dried well, but we need to wait for it. Till then we can stick the leaves. For the leaves I've used again green strips. I'll stick it. And guys, the last part is to stick the magnet. This magnet is little big for the grapes, but sorry guys, I not had any other magnet. So yeah, now we are done with two of the fruits, the strawberry, the grapes, and the last one is the pineapple. So guys, now I'm making a pineapple fridge magnet. For that you need yellow strip, as you can see, and also a cap. Now you just need to roll it. As you can see, now my circle is ready. Just pinch it from the top. Make it more like a pineapple shape. Now again you need the yellow strip and the quilling tool, and what you need to do is just roll it in this manner. And as you can see, I've done it for the whole strip. Now I'll just put this inside. I just completed one more, and so guys, as you can see, I'm done with the pineapple body. I think it pretty much looks good, and now we'll head on to the leaves. So guys, here you can see I'm done with all the leaves. Now I'll just stick it. So guys, I don't think we need the sixth leaf, but now we'll move on for the foam sheet and the magnet. Here is the foam sheet. Now I'll just glue it. Now we'll let it dry and then move forward to paste the magnet. So guys, now it's time to stick the magnet. And now guys, we are finally done with the pineapple magnet. Now I'll give it a closer look. So guys, this is how it looks. The pineapple, the strawberry and the grapes. Let me know in the comment section which one did you like the more. And yeah, that was it for this video. I'll see you all next time.